Money Academy.
Affiliate marketing business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you guys can build your sustainable long-term affiliate marketing business. And the method in this video, I'm going to show you very few people are using that method. Okay, so you guys must watch this video till the end because it will be really helpful, especially for beginners. So let's get started this video. But before, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So the first step is you guys simply came to facebook.com. Don't worry if you're not running ads. I'm going to show you a long-term a long-term affiliate marketing method. Like you guys can make a lot of money sustainably with Facebook. Like a lot of people are just ignoring Facebook nowadays. I'm going to show you how we're gonna literally making decent amount of money per month with Facebook. So I'm gonna show you the real ways that a lot of people are doing. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So like almost everybody have Facebook account. So once you came to Facebook, all you need to do is just a few steps. First few steps is you guys simply click on these 9 dots. Once you click this, you guys can see pages. So you guys simply click on the pages and simply click create new page. So once you click create new page, in here you guys can add your page name. But first you guys must keep in mind which niche offers you're promoting. For example, make money niche, weight loss niche, or like personal development niche. This kind of what kind of niche you're promoting on Facebook, like from Digistore24 or from ClickBank, which kind of offers you're promoting. For example, I'm promoting like manifestation and business, like make money online. You guys can add this kind of name like mindset business mindset, or anything related to this, and select this. For example, because we are promoting make money related offer, or like manifestation, you guys can select business, home business, anything like this, like any category, and simply click create a page and simply click next. And these are a few next steps, and your page will be created successfully. So I have a lot of pages. I already created a page. Quickly, I'm going to show you what kind of page. So go back and I'm going to quickly show you. So now you guys can see I created a completely new page. You guys can see it's a completely new page, and the name of this page I added like business mindset, and I literally decorated this page. I uploaded my cover photo. I uploaded like business mindset, my profile page profile photo, you guys can see, and I literally created this photo from like image, you call it, from Canva. You guys can easily create this kind of images from Canva, and you guys can see there is almost nothing right now. So you guys can also create a beautiful description and beautiful bio basically. And now what I'm gonna do is how you guys can promote your affiliate offers. That is the main point. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do is we need content to promote to just gaining followers and likes. And I'm gonna show you a really 2 tricks in this video. If you watch till the end, you will definitely able to start making money online in 30 days. Okay, so what you guys can do, you need content to promote this page and gaining followers, right? So how you guys can get content? First, you decorate this page like this, and you added like your all the like descriptions and bio, set it up, and now you need content to upload. So what you guys can do, how you guys can get content? So you guys simply go to youtube.com. So once you came to youtube.com, you guys literally add, for example, shorts. You guys can add shorts plus, and you guys can add plus sign, and then you guys can add anything like, for example, a short mindset, and simply click enter, and you guys can see this kind of page. Like a lot of shots will pop up. So these are all mindset related shots. So there is like hundreds and thousands of shots. So for example, I'm gonna go with like the number 1 shot, for example, this one. So what you guys can do, you guys literally click this, close this. I'm gonna copy this like this, and let's go to the next step. And the next step is you guys simply came to this website is and you guys literally paste this link here. Once you paste this link here, all you need to do is simply click download, and now you guys can see the downloading is the start. So now you guys can see this shot is uploaded successfully. Once this shot is uploaded on your computer, now you go back to your Facebook page, and now you guys simply click on reel. Make sure you guys only upload reels in your Facebook page. Do not upload videos, do not upload posts or images, because right now Facebook is competing with YouTube Shorts and TikTok. That's why Facebook is literally pushing short videos like reels. Okay, so that's why you guys must upload reels, and definitely you will start getting views and engagement, okay, if you consistently uploading. So quickly I'm gonna upload here, and you guys can see this is the video, and simply click. So once you click publish, you guys can see our reel is published successfully because we just posted right now. It will take some time, at least 24 hours after that you guys are able to see reach and place, because I told you Facebook is literally competing with TikTok and YouTube Shorts. That's why they're literally pushing Facebook reels. So you guys must upload a lot of like at least 3 to 5 reels every single day. Then you will, for 30 days, then definitely you guys will see results. So this is the first way you guys can literally post content and gaining followers and gaining engagement on your Facebook page. First thing. And second thing is how you guys can promote your affiliate offers. No, I'm not talking about like add link in the description or add link in the bio. You guys must upload, add a link in bio, your landing page, but I'm going to show you the most effective way how to promote your affiliate offer. So the number 1 thing is you guys select an offer. So let's go first. You guys can select an offer. So right now you guys can see I am in ClickBank to select an offer, which I'm going to go and promote in a Facebook page. For example, your Facebook page is related to self-help, select the self-help product, home and garden. If your Facebook page is related to home and garden, because my Facebook page is related to e-marketing and e-business, known as Make Money Online, or self-help manifestation offer. Both offers converts well. Also business and investing offer also converts well. But for now I'm going to go with like e-marketing and e-business, known as Make Money Online. Hold on, and you guys literally select any of affiliate marketing offer. For example, this one you guys can select. It's almost, I think, new offer gives you $500. You guys can literally grab that click promote, get your affiliate link, and create a landing page. Do not promote this link directly on your Facebook, because Facebook does not allow direct linking. If you're promoting through ads or like organic, does not allow. You must create a landing page. Okay, for example, promote this. If you generate any sale, you are able to make more than $500. So this is how you guys can select product, create a landing page. I show you a lot of videos how to create landing page in my previous videos. You guys go and watch. So this is how you guys can select product. And now let's go back to Facebook. I'm going to show you how you guys can promote your affiliate offer. So let's go quickly. I'm going to give you one example. So I'm going to give you the example. So I'm going to give you the example of this page, like CEO mindset. So I'm going to give you the example how you guys can promote your links, your landing page. So right now, first thing is you guys can create your bio like this, like add your landing page link like this. So this person is added their YouTube channel. This is the first way people came to your page. They will click on your landing page or website, okay, and go to like affiliate offer. Second is like you guys can, the main thing is you guys can post. So first thing is I'm going to show you, this person is also upload reels to getting followers and push their page. So a lot of people know about this page just because of these reels, because I told you Facebook pushing reels because Facebook is competing with TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Okay, so once like a person is posting reels, they are just gaining followers. You guys can see this person have like 600,000, 650,000 plus followers. You know what will happen then if that person is post an image like this post, and you guys can see this person is getting 1.4 thousand likes, a lot of comments and a lot of shares, and this person is literally posted this image like literally 2 hours ago. And if you scroll down, you guys can see this person is posted this, like page owner posted 8 hours ago this image, like a quote, and 5,000 plus people like this, 600 plus shares, and 25 plus comments. So you know what you guys can do if your page is like 10-20,000 followers. It's easy. I'm going to also show you how you guys can boost your followers. I'm going to also show you that method, but first I'm going to show you that one. Once you post, for example, you're getting a lot of followers and people are engaging with your page, then you guys can post this kind of image, and above that image, this is your like ad copy here. In here you guys can create a small ad copy with your landing page link, and in here you guys can promote your affiliate link. In this way, what will happen organically, free, you will start getting a lot of traffic, okay? And it's not a one-day affiliate marketing business. If you start doing, it's a long-term affiliate marketing business. If you build a successful page, you will able to make money every single month without spending a dollar, okay? So that is the main thing that I want to teach you. It's not a single day business, it's a long-term affiliate marketing business method I show you. And to be honest, very few people are creating this kind of Facebook pages, and right now it's very easy because people are just literally ignoring Facebook, okay? So I suggest you guys can start this, especially if you're a beginner. So this is the way how you guys can promote your affiliate offers with Facebook pages, okay? So now let's go. I'm going to show you how you guys can boost your Facebook page followers. So let's go. I'm going to show you, go back to Facebook. So we are in Facebook dashboard, our page dashboard. So once you came here, what you guys can do if you want to boost your page, you guys simply click on Ads Manager. Once you click on the Ads Manager, you guys can see this kind of page. Simply click Create. Once you click Create, we are not looking for traffic awareness. We are only looking for the engagement. If you want to boost your post, this is the best way. Once you click on the engagement, you guys simply click Continue. Click Continue, like add your campaign name. I'm going to go with like page engagement and simply click Next. Once you click Next, now you guys can see ad set name. So in here, you guys can add your ad set name. So I'm going to go with like page ad set and scroll down. We are not looking for pages, ad, website. We are looking for page, Facebook pages, okay? So we want to promote our Facebook page. So literally, if you did this, very few people are doing, and you will see phenomenal results. The method I am showing you, okay? That is the first. I show you the free method. That is the paid method. You guys select a page. So I have a lot of pages. For example, I want to grow this page, business mindset. Once you here, you guys scroll down and you guys can select a budget. So for example, I'm going to go with like $5 a day and see what kind of results. Definitely you will see results in $5. If you scroll down, you guys can see the locations. So what I'm going to do in here, I'm going to go with like worldwide. I'm not going to target any specific country. I'm going to go with like worldwide. I'm going to do, I remove United States. I'm going to click on browse. I'm going to click on the countries and I'm going to select all the countries. I'm going to go and run my ad worldwide, okay? Because I want to grow my page in $5, and let's see what kind of results we are seeing. And go with like all the ages, do not touch anything, only add interest, because our page is related to business. First, I'm going to go with like business, and let's see, like you guys can see business, finance. So you guys can see small businesses, so home businesses. So I'm going to go with like business related, entrepreneurship. I'm going to add, so you guys can see it's a young entrepreneurs, like mindset. Let's type mindset, this kind of interest, because our page is related to like this. There is no mindset. What I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, click on suggestions. You guys can literally select a lot of interest like this. It's not necessary to go with like one interest, go with like a lot of interest, like almost every interest you guys can target which is related to your page like this. So there's, I selected a lot of interest. Once you did this, then a lot of interest, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down a little bit and I'm going to go with like manual placements. So once you click on the manual based placements, now you guys can see I'm going to only run my campaign on news feeds, okay? Because it's a really good one. So search, remove search, I'm going to only run on the news feeds. Once you did this, then simply click next, because in here I'm going to go with like simple ad, because we are not running our campaign for sales. We are just running our campaign for, you call it, for growing our page. Once you here, you guys scroll down, you guys literally add an image. So you guys can see I uploaded this image like business mindset. You guys can add any primary text, add any headline. It's completely up to you. To be honest, what I suggest, you guys must upload a valuable content image here, or second way is you guys can upload any video here. It will be really engaging and a lot of people will like your page. If you uploaded this kind of image which I uploaded, you will not getting a lot of engagement in this post. So I just uploaded to just show you the procedure. I am not running this ad, I am just show you the procedure how you guys can boost your followers. But if you're running a Facebook page campaign for your, if you're growing your page, I highly suggest you guys must upload a really valuable content or upload a valuable video here, okay? So this is how you guys can create ad for boosting your page. And you guys can see it's a like button. People will click and like your page and go and follow your page, okay? You guys click publish and your campaign will be published. But right now I just show you the procedure, okay? So let's go back. I'm not going to run this ad. I told you, I just show you the procedure. So you guys must try that strategy. The method I show you in this video, it's not a short-term affiliate marketing business. I show you in this video a long-term sustainable affiliate marketing business you guys can grow on Facebook organically plus paid method I show you in this video, okay? So you guys must try that method. So with this method, you are able to make decent amount of money per month, and it's not a short-term business. It's a long-term sustainable business. Literally, if you start doing this business, they will give you every single month sales. It's not instant money, it's a long-term money. So you guys must be consistent with this method. I highly suggest. Very few people are doing, but it's a